Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix invalid destination address in Narzo 80x. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, here you can check your airplane mode. If you now turn on or off your airplane mode 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your airplane mode, then scroll down and click on apps. Now click on app management. Now scroll down and click on messages app. Now click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of messages app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on backup and reset phone, and on top you can see the option reset network settings. Now click on it and here enter your password to reset your network settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.